In this video, I'm going to show you how to install VS Code on your laptop. So just open your browser and click on the search bar and just search for the VS Code and you will see the website. Just click on it. But another important thing is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more. And there you will see the installer for the Windows. Just click on it and it will start installing. It'll install in a few seconds. Just wait and there it is installed. And yes, it is installed now. Just click on the file location and there it is. And now double click on it to start the setup. And just wait, sooner see it is there. And click on the I accept and agree. This next. And once again, this next. And next, just yeah, there you can see. Click on this, it is important. And just click on install. And now wait to install.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, uncheck this. And yeah, uncheck this and just finish. So there it is. Now the VS Code is opened. So the actual thing is I am already signed in. I don't know why I deleted it and once again started, but once again my outlines are there and everything is there. So just I am full screen from there. And yeah, that's all. I got it and you also got it. And yeah, you can also install extensions from there. And that's all for today. Just don't forget this. And another important thing, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon.